This is unbelievable, my people. Let me greet my correct people out there. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. God bless you guys for always coming back again and again. If you're a new subscriber, you're highly welcome. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, turn on the bell on in case of any time I just upload any video, any update, you will be the first person to get the notification. Yes, so my beautiful people, I don't say come back again with another gist, with another video. My people, this one is unbelievable. Since I was born, I've never seen something like this. Well, before I go into further, my people, make me just watch this particular video. I will come back again. Just watch.
Kanya gbara nni n'afa ndị a ka ego ozugbo ozugbo na-ekele ọlụ eke enekwana ha na-azụ na anọla bibi ekele ọlụ eke ọ bụrụ na a na-enye agbala ọ na-enyeba ọ bụrụ na a na-enye agbala ego a na-abịa ka nni na aka na-ekele ọlụ eke mmụọ lụwoke ọlụ olioke agbala na-enye anyị ana m ebi unu ike taa n'afa nke nna na-ebunye unu ike taa n'afa nke nwa na-ebunye unu ike taa n'afa nke nwa nsọ binye anakwa na binye ozugbo ka nwoke binye si n'otu aka staa isi ebinye ajọ mmụọ nọ n'ime n'otu aka staa isi ebinye ife niile enibele n'ibe na taa ka obinye. Yes, this is Wednesday Jesus live. I'm sitting man, so I cannot search worldwide. I need the reboa. Abekwa m ebe ọ na-adị eme ọzọ ka mbụ ndị mmadụ ike ka ama nọ na-eme na-esiri ụmụazị fa na-esili m ana m agwa anyị na line ọbụla alụpụ gị last year Chineke ga-eji mụlụ gị na line this year. Abịara m ịka maka chọọchị ma ọ bụ ide against ya chọọchị line ọbụla alụpụ gị last year 2021 na Jehova ga-eji nwee lụ gị na line whether you believe it or not. Ị ga-eji ego meela ụmụnna ya ọgụ ị ga-eme message let's court before Easter ị ga-eje court were nata 08087839434 onye eze Jizọs kpọọ ka eti nara ka ịma na ọ na-eme ị na-anya efu na ife mkpọbi akali a na-ebu ime nsi ike fa na-ebute na-ekele ọlụ eke ndị abịa ibu ike tata ndị abịa isilu tata ị na-abụ ya na nwoke na-ebe kweke ebe a na-azụ kweke ebe a na-azụ kweke afịa na-azụ eburuba kweke ifumensi bịa ibulu ike taa na ọ bụla ile kweke afịa na-azụ kere ibe ikweche iso na ndị na-ekwugheri mensi na-adị na-ebu ibe ike pa ha na-eme ibe na chọọchị pa na-emepụta ibe na vileji pa ịnọdụ ebe ahụ na-ebule emu gọọmenti ama nnekwe gị ego bịa ka inibe ndị ilo ị na-ana 08087839434 degebe ike na anyị nọ na mmiri ebe ọ na-adị eme na mmiri ka anyị nọ 08087839434 God bless you ka m banyezi ọlụ na ka m banye ọlụ na mmadụ erike tata obodo oyibo anyị nọ ị ga-emesịa bụrụ ike wee bata ya sị gị na ị ga-ebu ike kpọọ nọmba ka eti gị na line. Thank you.
My people, I'm back again. So now just watch this particular video. It's so unbelievable and disgusting. The way our pastors, some of our Nigeria pastors, they promote all those bad things. They promote our youth for bad things instead of them to encourage them that money is not everything. Instead of them to promote them that with hard labor you can get whatever you want to achieve in life, than be doing all those things, but than to advising them to do this such evil thing. How can a pastor even do such thing, my people? A person that calls himself servant of God, Just imagine the kind of thing wey this man dey do now. Like this man, I need to be jail and all those boys as well. Some of our youth today, they don't want to even work. Oh, in the name, I want to get that rich, I want to have all those mansions things. Must all those mansions be everything in life? They don't even think of repercussion. They don't even think of tomorrow, what they just want. Nah. They just want to achieve that thing. And just look at our Nigeria pastor as well that is promoting this evil thing in that society. Nigeria is finished, my people. For a pastor, the person that call himself pastor, servant of God, be doing such thing. Instead of them to lay a good example for our youth, they are the one promoting all those evil people. They are the one that is promoting all those evil things. They are causing more havoc to that country. Like this man now, my people, this man needs to be jailed for him to even do that such thing. How can a man call yourself man of God? That is why a lot of them, they will just be preaching that Bible, but they will just be preaching that Bible, but they don't practice what is inside that Bible. Like this man, this particular man, just imagine the kind of evil where this man they do now, that call himself pastor. They just want to destroy our youth life. Instead of them to be encouraging them that the country will be okay, they should look for work. They are the one promoting that nonsense. And many of them don't even think of their future, how their future will look like tomorrow. Or what they all want, they just want to have that flashing car, a flashing house. Must everybody get that mansion house or that flashing car? No, everybody cannot have it. That is why all figures are not equal. There are many things that you will do, dignity work that you will do outside there that will fetch you genuine money, that will make you to sleep. You will sleep fine than doing all those evil things. I don't know why that Nigeria, many pastors, they are just so evil. Be doing that such evil thing to their own fellow human being. They don't even have the fear of God at all. And they will call themselves pastors. Oh my God. This one is unbelievable. How can a pastor be doing this such thing? Even the devil himself know that doing this is so evil. No, on top of the person that call himself man of God, that call himself servant of God. Like this man now. Which kind preach this man want preach to people for people to even on a year at all? That is doing this evil thing. A pastor. Ah, my God. That country is finished, my people. That country is finished. If this man go through without Jane Demon, let me say that country is finished. That country is just a country that anybody can just wake up, be doing whatever he or she want to do. Ah, bah. This one is so wicked. This man is so heartless for him to do such thing. My people, we are the end time. That is why God even said it, that at the end time, many things will be happen. That's, hey, a pastor that call himself pastor, take people to river to bath them with money. Which spirit, which kind evil spirit can enter those boys' body now than to carry them go river, go bath them with money? Another things no day where person go pray normal prayer or do normal fasting than to take all those boys to river. My people, our pastors, many of them, a lot of them, they are the problem that we have in that country, whether you like it or not. Many of them that call themselves pastor, they are called themselves servant of God. Many of them, they are doing evil thing. They are promoting evil thing in that country. Just look at this particular man now. Look at what this man is just doing now. Hey, Abba, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. This man don't even want to even call pastor at all. This man does not even want to even call pastor, not to talk of servant of God. A person that call himself, even the devil even know say this kind thing is not good. Not to talk of pastor, servant of God for that matter, my people. This is unbelievable. For a pastor to do such evil thing, it's so bad, my people. What shall it profit a man to gain the world and lose his soul? These people, they don't even think of tomorrow. They don't even think how their life will look like. They don't even think of the repercussion of this thing where they do so. My people, they say the end shall tell. Well, my people, let me leave you guys for here. Leave your comment in the comment section. Do you think that this particular man deserves to be a pastor or even servant of God? Leave your comment in the comment section down below. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.